Welcome back to my channel Gitter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to change the date and time in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type time. You will see options related to date and time. Click on it. The date and time settings window will now open. Here, you will see an option called Set Time Automatically. If you want Windows to set the time automatically, simply turn this option on. But if you want to change the date and time manually, you need to turn this option off. Once you turn off the automatic time, the Change Date and Time option will become active. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear. Now, you can set the time and date manually according to your choice. After adjusting, click on OK to save the changes. That's it. Your date and time have now been successfully updated in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like it, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to Gitter Official.